You're coming?
That wasn't edited. An AI agent handled that entire full production. If you are still struggling with random 5-second clips and losing character consistency, those days are over. This is TopView Agent V2, powered by Seedance 2.0. It doesn't just generate clips. It storyboards and sequences true, long AI videos automatically. And the craziest part? You can lock in 1 year of free, unlimited Seedance 2.0 generations right now. Hit the link in the description to grab it, and let me show you exactly how this workflow operates. Alright, let's take a look at the TopView interface. Right here, you will find their video agent, which I will be demonstrating in this video. We are currently looking at V2, the latest version of their agent. Within this, the standard video generation tool is powered by Seedance 2.0, a model that has had a massive industry buzz lately, because its results are simply brilliant. Next, we have aspect ratio and resolution settings. Now, the most impressive feature here is that you can generate videos to 300 seconds long. That is a full 5 minutes right from the start. Furthermore, you can extend those videos by an additional 10, 15, or even 20 minutes, a complete process I will walk you through in this tutorial. But take a look right here. Do you see this free tag? This is an absolutely incredible offer from TopView. When you upgrade to their business plan, you instantly unlock unlimited Seedance 2.0 generations, completely free for 1 entire year. To give you an idea of TopView's broader capabilities, under the AI Video tab, you can see they offer standard model is Seedance 2.0, the Pro and Fast versions, alongside other highly advanced models like VEO, Grok, and Kling. You genuinely get access to a comprehensive suite of tools here. Let us navigate back to the homepage. On the left side, you can open the agent directly. Now, I will input a detailed prompt requesting a Disney-style motivational story aimed at children, focusing primarily on human characters while making sure to include an animal in the story. I will leave the model on standard, as our goal is to utilize Seedance 2.0. We will set the aspect ratio to 16:9 and the resolution to 720p. For the video length, I am going to set this to 90 seconds. You have the complete freedom to adjust this duration to be as short or as long as your project requires. But for this specific story, 90 seconds is perfect. With our settings locked in, I will hit enter. The agent is now initializing. It will analyze our request and carefully plan out the entire sequence based on our settings. As you can see, it has generated a complete plan, initially suggesting 7 distinct scenes, each with varying durations of 13, 12, or 10 seconds. However, I realized I omitted a few crucial details. I am now going to add some specific instructions. I will ask the agent to include dialogue within the story, ensure character consistency throughout all scenes, and make sure every scene connects smoothly with the previous one to maintain a seamless story flow. On the right side, there is a reference section. Here, you can upload your own local images, select images you have already generated within the TopView board, or create entirely new ones to visually guide your video. Returning to our prompt, I will submit these added dialogue and consistency instructions so the agent can update our plan. The agent is reanalyzing our detailed instructions and will present a revised strategy. And here is our newly optimized plan. It has now broken the story down into 9 separate scenes, allocating exactly 10 seconds per clip. The agent has provided a highly detailed description for each scene, ensuring everything aligns with our core prompt. I will proceed by clicking Insert Only. This brings us to a comprehensive breakdown of the 9 clips that will be generated for our multi-scene story. If you look closely, you will see an Enhance option next to each prompt. This allows you to automatically refine and expand upon the agent's descriptions. There is also an @ symbol feature. If you upload a reference image, you can simply type the @ symbol, followed by the image's name to tag it, and apply specific directions directly to that asset. Moving down, you also have the option to hit Enhance All to upgrade every prompt simultaneously, or simply hit Start Generation. Before we start the full process, let me demonstrate how the Enhance feature works on a single prompt. I will click Enhance on this scene. Initially, it was a simple one-shot prompt. Now the AI has intelligently expanded it into 2 distinct camera angles within that single 10-second clip. You also have the flexibility to click Add Scene at the bottom if you wish to insert more segments, and you can fully customize the duration of each individual clip using the drop-down menu. Everything is entirely adaptable. Let's go ahead and click Start Generation. Our multi-scene story is now in production. You can see the queue forming, and our first clip has already reached 12%. The AI will process these sequentially, building our story scene by scene. Our first clip has just finished rendering, so let's take a look.
One day, Pips, we'll find the lost star.
Notice the stunning Disney-style animation, and how beautifully the dual-shot enhancement worked, transitioning flawlessly from a dolly-in shot to a top-down camera angle in one fluid motion. All 9 of our 10-second clips have now been successfully generated. After a quick review to ensure quality, I will click Finish. This action automatically imports all our clips directly into TopView AI's built-in timeline. The clips are arranged perfectly in sequence. Let me play a quick segment for you so you can witness how incredibly smooth the transitions are as the video moves from one clip to the next. It feels like one continuous, cohesive film rather than separate generated pieces.
One day, Pips, we'll find the lost star. I'm not sure, Pips. Come on. Chirp, chirp. We just have to keep moving forward.
If you want to watch this entire 90-second generated masterpiece in full, I have left a direct link in the video description below. Make sure you go check it out to see the final impressive quality. When you are ready to save your project, look to the top right corner and click Export. You have 2 choices: full video, which compiles everything into a single, merged video file, or all segments, which downloads each clip separately packed inside a WinRAR archive. Now, I want to show you another brilliant generation of this tool. Take a look at this UGC video.
Okay, so I've been using this for 2 weeks and I'm actually mad I didn't start sooner. It's this vitamin C serum glow drops. I know, everyone says vitamin C, but just watch. You literally only need like 2 drops. I just pat it in after washing my face. That's it. Nothing crazy. See, like that's not a filter. My skin is actually glowing right now. Seriously, just try it.
By simply providing a basic product image, the AI was able to generate an incredibly natural, highly authentic looking promotional video that is perfect for marketing purposes. Finally, let me demonstrate how to utilize the Extend Clip feature. I have a previously generated clip right here. I will select Extend Clip, input my new prompt, and increase the duration to 15 seconds. Next, I will click Enhance to enrich the prompt. The AI has expertly upgraded this prompt to include 4 different shots, meaning the camera will capture 4 distinct angles within this newly extended 15-second timeframe. I will enter this to begin the generation. Now that our extended clip is ready, let's watch it. Observe how seamlessly the original clip transitions into the newly generated extension. To wrap up, let's look at their pricing structure. If you decide to upgrade to the business plan on TopView.ai, you receive an absolute powerhouse of value. It grants you 1 full year of unlimited, completely free access to premium models, including Nano Banana, Seedream, along with the Seedance 2.0. It is a phenomenal package for those looking to create content at scale. So hit that link below to grab 365 days of unlimited Seedance 2.0 access and start creating today.